Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neze again, and in the next less than 10 minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can truly regain control of your life, of your health, with all the symptoms that are probably dragging you down right now. Really help you learn how to escape the bondage of chronic health issues and diseases and release you from being stuck in trying all these programs and running all over the place that's dragging your mental health down so that you can truly up-level your wellness, okay? Now, how are we going to do that? See, there are many mistakes that people are making that's creating issues for them, that they can't feel better, so they can't be better or do better. I need to let you know what mistakes you're making so that you can stop it and we can shift this thing around. And I'm going to share that with you and how you can solve that problem. Because if you can't identify the elephant in the room, you can't take the elephant out of the room. If you're not going to identify the source of your pain, you're not going to be able to stop that pain. All right? So, with these mistakes people are making, you know what I've been seeing over this past 2 to 3 years, especially with the health crisis that's been going on? A lot of people are tired. They're tired and they feel like they're aging faster. And the truth is, you probably are. You feel like you're 75 when you're barely 30 years old. People are having difficulties with weight loss, and it's not just diet and exercise. What is really going on? People are having hormonal imbalances, low testosterone levels, chronic health conditions that are either not getting better, or they have to keep increasing your prescriptions and increasing the dosing on there. Anxiety, depression, autoimmune conditions, rash, gut health issues, you name it. Hypertension and diabetes, it's becoming a stuck thing to you right now, which we don't want to happen. All right? And so this is a big issue. We don't want to downplay. These are real issues going on with people in the world. And ignoring it or slowing down taking care of it is how you can progress very quickly into making this a chronic health issues. Not to talk about the complications that can arise from it with your organs, especially the kidneys. There's a reason there's a dialysis center everywhere. Okay, not to talk about diabetes, because once that gets to the brain, it's really hard for you to think clearly, very hard for you to think clearly, or how that starts affecting the whole nervous system. So these are real issues, and not to talk about how it actually affects your mental health and your mood, because you're constantly running around chasing it, how to get rid of it. That takes away from everything, from you living your life, enjoying your relationships. I have people that wanted to come here and get a new job and get a promotion and become entrepreneurs and make more money. See, I take people all the way from feeling better so they can be better, and then they do better, that they actually gain control of their life to live the life that they desire. Okay? And I do that because not only am I a board certified medical doctor, so I understand that part. I'm a functional medicine practitioner to get to the root cause of issues. Yes, I practice all naturally and holistically, but I'm also a certified medical intuitive. What does that mean? Intuition. Your body's innate intelligence. Everybody's body speaks to us. That's what health is. It's telling you something, and I'm learning. I know how to hone into that specifically for you so that you understand what's going on with you. And based on that, we take you from not feeling better, feeling better, being better, and you can do better in your life. Okay? Now, what are these 4 top mistakes that people are making? One, you believe that just because you go to the doctor once a year and your blood work's normal, that you're healthy. That is not called health, because there's people with normal blood work that are still having all these symptoms. That's why they come to see me. And we have a way of taking care of that, because this health crisis showed us that healthy people, even with the normal blood work and screening that they had done, they got very sick. Some of them were in the ICU, and some of them didn't make it. God bless their souls. Yes. The second mistake you're making is that you want to get to the root cause of your issue, but you're replacing that with a supplement. So you're taking a plastic Band-Aid prescription and going to a Band-Aid made from the trees. You still didn't get rid of the issue. You did not go to the root cause of the issue. Because guess what? One size does not fit all. That's the third mistake people are making. One size does not fit all. One man's meat is another man's poison. See, that high blood pressure could be the kidneys, but it could be the nervous system. It could be toxins. And the longer you wait, your blood vessels start getting remodeled. You want to take care of that right away. But what is your specific issue? Because one size does not fit all. Yes, and one man's meat is another man's poison. Guess what? That caffeine or coffee you're taking might be great for one person. For the other person, it's causing so much acidity in the body. It's not only giving you reflux, it's actually giving you chronic pain and issues in your joints and your bones. Yes, for another person, that diabetes could be toxins. It could be the diet, but it could be cortisol levels and the nervous system. It could be an actual parasite in your pancreas. So what is it for you? Stop running around trying all these different things, thinking one size fits all because they give you a diagnosis and say, do it this way. What is it for you intuitively? This is what we help you with over here. And the fourth and biggest mistake people make, detox. They do not detox. Listen, the CDC says more than 80% of chronic health conditions is due to toxin overload. So then why do we not address that first? Chronic health conditions start from all these little symptoms that just go on for a long time, and then they become chronic. So over here, not only will we identify these toxins, but how do you detox? What organs need to be detoxed? Cellular detoxification. Okay, so what are the solutions that we provide here? One, our CHEP medical scan, bioresonance, and our heart rate variability monitoring. Both of those help us identify what's going on with you. See, a lot of people come here with symptoms and their blood work was normal, but we are able to identify non-invasively less than 15 minutes for both of those two scans that you get with our offer, and to identify if you have toxins, where the toxins are, the acidity and oxidative stress on the body. If you're having weight loss issues, metabolism, it'll show us about your metabolism, show us about your gut health, show us about parasites, candida, fungi, all these things so that we can identify it specifically for you. Heart rate variability monitoring, same thing about stress and where you're holding your stress and how that's really affecting your health. Because then we can truly individualize your own health program to get you feeling better within weeks when you come in. Okay, this also helps us identify the root cause, because the high blood pressure, it might show us the kidneys, it might show us toxins. And I, as a medical health intuitive, I'm able to tune into that. So when we sit down and have that discussion, because this offer, we do the 2 scans, and it takes about an hour for me to go over it and come up with a plan specifically for you. Okay, and it also helps us identify detox. What type of detox you need, how frequent, what organs need to be detoxed. That's how we help you create a solution. That's how we help you revolutionize your health and wellness. That's how we make it individualized for you. That's how we don't give you a one size fits all, because it truly doesn't. That's what we offer over here that can really help you. So right now, this offer is only $199. It's usually $359. But we're offering it for $199. This is how we want to revolutionize health and wellness, because we all deserve to know what's really going on within us, specifically for us, that we can take care of. Okay? So go ahead and click the link below and sign up. See you soon.